data science is still worth in India in 2026? You have probably heard data science is saturated, there are no jobs, AI will replace data scientists. Some of these statements are partly true, but most are deeply misunderstood. In this video, I'm not here to motivate you. I'm here to give you the honest reality so you can decide intelligently, not emotionally. Let's start with why this confusion exists. Over the last few years, everyone started learning data science. Courses mushroom की तरह उग गए. Roadmaps became random और 3 months में data scientist normal हो गया. Result? Yes, entry-level competition increased. Yes, average profiles struggle. And yes, many people don't get jobs. But here's the mistake people make. They confuse market correction with career death. Here's the honest truth. Data science is not dying. Data science is not obsolete. What really is happening, जो unstructured data science aspirants, वो filter out हो रहे हैं. And now that's not saturation, that is selection. You need to understand that companies in the first place never wanted tool collectors, notebook only learners, people who learn algorithms but cannot explain decisions. They want professionals who can frame problems, work with messy data, connect insight to business decisions, and the demand is still very real in 2026. Let's destroy one illusion. Most data scientists do not build fancy models every day. Tune algorithm endlessly. Perfect data set का सपना नहीं दिखाते. Real work looks like understanding big business problems, cleaning ugly data, asking the right question, explaining insights to non-technical stakeholders. So, if you enjoy thinking, analysis, problem framing, decision making, then data science is still very much worth it. Now, the uncomfortable part. Most people fail in data science because they start with tools, not thinking. They jump to ML without fundamentals. They build portfolios with no real signal. They never understand how companies use data. They say, I know Python, SQL, machine learning, but recruiters ask, ये problem solve कर सकता है कि नहीं? Can you solve this problem or not? The gap is where most careers collapse. Let me be very clear. Data science is not worth it for you if you hate ambiguity. You only want step-by-step instructions. You don't like asking questions. You just want a quick salary hike. Data science rewards thinking, not shortcuts. If you're here only because everyone says data science pays well, you'll be disappointed. But data science is absolutely worth it. If you enjoy problem solving, you like working with data-driven decisions, you're willing to learn in a structured way, you want long-term career relevance, not hype. People who are doing well in 2026 are not the loudest ones. They are the most structured ones. This is exactly why it made it short. We don't teach data science as a list of tools. We teach it as a thinking system. Business, data, insight, decisions, real workflows, real expectations, real preparation. Because the goal is not to learn data science, the goal is to become valuable with data. So, is data science worth in India in 2026? Yes, but if you do it right. No, if you follow random learning paths. Comment data if you want a clear roadmap. Subscribe if you want honest career guidance, not hype. We'll break everything down step by step.